Great floor plan in this spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath Hampton model. It's open and bright and features tile floors, volume ceilings, large bedrooms, a private backyard, a large screen lanai, and a 2-car garage. It is built by DiVosta, not only CBS, but poured concrete. A fortress. The metal roof and skylights were installed in 2015. AC, 2018. The bones are wonderful. With a little updating it will be perfection. The Meadows a great place to live. Always find people walking, jogging, or skating along the beautiful oak-lined streets. 24-hour manned guard gate, tennis and pickleball courts, bocce ball, tot lot. The community pool has just been completely redone and it's terrific. Superb location. Close to I-95, Florida Turnpike, shopping and restaurants. A short 45-minute jaunt to Palm Beach International Airport. And, don't forget about Palm City's A-rated school system.